Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. So by tapping it once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can hide its SSID, you can set it, change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can change type of Wi-Fi hotspot. I mean, you can change its like AP band, I guess. Oh no, you have Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. So it's more about compatibility with other devices. You can also set up a turn off hotspot timer, and you can also enable its, you can change its AP band here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.